What up, YouTube? The butt restoration part 2. I got to go in and edit it because something toward the ending, it kind of went wonky with the camera, so I got to go in and edit it. The parts that went wonky. But anyway, going to pick up a long-awaited item since July 14th. The packages are too heavy for the delivery driver to drop them off. So I have to drive about an hour away to the nearest distribution center from FedEx to pick up the items. And you should all know what they are. Been waiting on them for ever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. So that's what I'm doing. And won't get them hooked up today. I don't know when I'll be able to hook them up because I opened me up a new company called Gumlog Hauling. So I'm putting my Cummins to work. I went and purchased a 20 plus 5 gooseneck trailer. Purchased it a few days ago. And I got all my IFTA numbers, all my DOT numbers. I got everything I need to do this. And for those who's wanting to do hot shot hauling, you can drive on your regular license as long as you're under 26,001 pounds. Anything over that, they deem it as an unsafe vehicle and they fine you and you can't haul it. So then after that, it requires a CDLs. Because I don't talk to everybody because I'm just not getting into doing this. And so, yeah, right now I'm getting food for the kiddos and myself and my wife. And then we're going to head down the highway, pick up the freaking 2 subs, man. Been waiting on them forever and ever and ever. But with the COVID thing in Nevada, they've been like super strict on business owners. And so FI, they had to build like restrooms and places for the workers to sleep because there's so much on back order that one person would be there a week or a few days, and they'd rotate shifts on getting merchandise out. So that's what's taking so long, is that there's only been like 2 people allowed in the assembly room, I guess. That's how they put it on their Instagram. So if you have an order through FI, it's going to take forever, but bear with them. They're doing the best they can. So when I get to the FedEx place, I'll film me pulling in and, getting there and whatever, but I don't know if I'm going to be allowed to actually film inside. But I'm going to pick them up after I go get my kids. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm here at the FedEx office. I got them all right here. These things are 92 pounds a piece. Let's get them in the truck. They're in the truck. Now I'm out of breath. I'm gonna open the box. Ah, shit. Oh hell, it's screwed. I don't have anything to unscrew it with. So this will have to wait. Alright. Made it here. Got a knife this time. And got a drill. These subs are 92 pounds by themselves, so with all the boxes, or the box and the wood, it's probably about 98 pounds. Alright, knife over there. Alright, here we go. Damn it. Alright. Got that off. Yeah, they did give me some extra decals after I requested them. Awesome. I asked for extra decals so I could rep their company, and they delivered. I got a bunch. They're going all over the truck. Here's the literature. Do not throw away any packaging. I'll let you guys read that. You can pause it, because I'm going to read it in a second. Warning. For all ported applications, you must set your amplifier, processor, subsonic filter to 3 Hertz below the tuning of the enclosure. For all hybrid lead applications, please use 2 wrenches when tightening your speaker wire. Please keep all packaging. So in other words is, if this beast ever pops or blows or whatever, you can ship it back to be fixed. Oh my Jesus. Here's the packing gasket. And look at this beast. Oh my side. You could freaking plant a house on this thing and it won't fucking move. Holy shit. Pardon my language, I'm just very excited. Been waiting for 3 months almost, which is COVID's fault. Everything looks good. The surround, no tears, no cuts from shipping. I got the 7-inch fiberglass or carbon fiber dust cap. Oh my god, it won't even freaking move. Which I got plenty of power to move these things. Oh. So I'm gonna bring it out in just a second. All right, I put it in my recliner. I got the hybrid extra cooling. So here's the hybrid. Comes with studs. You can put whatever size speaker wire you want. Holy Jesus. These are hand built. It's a triple stack. This is the Team 4 from Fi or Fi, whatever you want, however you want to pronounce it. Just Jesus, look at that coil. Got dual tensile leads. Man, this thing is gonna freaking bounce. Spiders are good and tough. Hell yeah, I can't wait for this thing to start being hooked up and beating around the block. And I've seen some reviews online on YouTube of people bitching and complaining about their hybrid studs weren't labeled which side is which the ground is always on the right side, but these are labeled red, black, which I was communicating with a feller over there, and he says they all come, they just don't pay attention is what he said, so I believe it. Man, these baskets are freaking amazing. Love the basket design. Man, what a freaking sub. But this is it. This is the Team 4 from Fi, Fi, whatever. Every bit of it's hand built in America, and I love it. So guys, you stay tuned. Give it a few weeks when I'm off the road at home, hooking these bitches up. Man, that's a badass sub. You guys take it easy. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget about the giveaway at the end of the year if I hit 500 subscribers. It's going to be something dealing with audio. I'm not sure what it is yet. See you guys later.